Hi, we are here for the introduction of a campaign system for our virtual traffic wizard software. Okay, so here we have a input field for campaign name, where you have to put any campaign name. Okay, and after that you have to select any process from the drop down. Okay, any loop pattern you want to use in the software. Okay, number of threads you have to choose. Per day search is for each URL. Okay, you want to limitize the per day search of any URL, then you have to select any number from here. Okay, the timeout and the view time on page, you have to select any two values. Okay, the random seconds or minutes will be wait on the page. Okay, so here you have to select the internal pages you want to visit on any site. Okay, and from here you can select the retry link, and from here you can select after retry pattern. Okay, and after putting all these settings, you have to put the seed URLs and proxy. You can directly paste URLs here. Okay, or you can just import from any text file. Okay, so I'm just putting two strings here. Okay, which has a column, two values. Okay, the one is for the URL and one is for the keyword. Okay, here I have the cricket keyword and a URL. Okay, so this is a full string for different processes. Okay, here you have to put proxies. Okay, and after that you just have to hit the save button. Okay, the campaign will be saved. As you can see, my campaign one is saved with two URLs and 1 2 3 4 5 proxies, and same as all settings will be saved in the database. So you can see all the things are saved. So you can save multiple campaigns. Okay, by just changing the name and just changing the settings you want to change in other campaigns, and after that you can select any campaign from here, and if you want to run that campaign's input data, you just have to hit the start the button, and if you want the database, you just have to click the view button. Okay, here is the view campaigns, so you can have all the campaigns here. Okay, suppose I'm just saving this second campaign, so here you have other campaign. So by just putting the view button, you can have all the campaigns data, and after selecting any campaign, you can update the campaign's name, or you can delete the campaign. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this campaign. So you can see now only one campaign here. So you can also update the campaign name. Suppose I'm just putting 2 here, and selecting 6 per day and update. So you can see the name of campaign has been changed, and also the search per day is also changed. So this is the main campaign system for our software.